Public YouTube videos are now eligible to be remixed into YouTube Shorts unless creators opt out. Ooh, that's an interesting one.
How does this work?
YouTube's TikTok competitor known as YouTube Shorts is today launching a new feature similar to TikTok's Stitch that will allow creators to incorporate a short video segment from another user's YouTube video or Shorts video when creating new Shorts content. Where'd you send me there, Will? The feature is an expansion of YouTube Shorts' existing remix functionality, which had previously allowed creators to sample audio from other videos. This is going to be enabled by default. You will have to opt out if you don't like something about it, but I don't think I mind this.
I guess it's mainly for music from creators.
No. The exception to the rule is music videos with copyrighted content.
Oh, that's the exception.
Yeah. That's the exception. But
so getting what, voice bites and stuff?
And reacting to other people's shorts would be covered, right? You grab that content. Let's see. YouTube videos across the platform immediately opted into remixing by default, except for those music videos that I mentioned. However, content on YouTube Shorts itself cannot be opted out of remixing. So if you post a short, then it's getting remixed whether you like it or not. In addition to setting, part of this has to do with music rights. On Shorts, they're different than on big YouTube and elsewhere.
Okay.
That's how they get away with it because, you know, these songs blow up and they're like, well, you can use it because it's just a short. Someone still has to go get the song if they want it. YouTube, on the other hand, you have the full music video there. You start remixing that. You might create a substitute for people having to stream it elsewhere. I don't know.
Right, yeah.
And they just don't have the licensing deal for it that they're able to cut with the short form content. So maybe that's the reason you can only remix certain things. However, content on YouTube Shorts itself cannot be opted out of remixing. For comparison, TikTok creators are able to prevent others from sampling from their videos on an individual basis from the privacy settings, in addition to setting default permissions for all the videos from the app's main privacy settings. Now, I don't know. Maybe if people cared about this, they might be able to modify it in some way. But yeah, it looks like if you post shorts, you're opted in by default. Here's what that looks like. Description of the video, use this sound, cut this video, captions, save the playlist. So yeah, you can chop it up right there. To use the new remix feature, users will first tap on create, then select cut from remix options. From there, they'll be able to sample a 1 to 5 second video segment from any eligible video. That's not a lot, 1 to 5. Who's mad about it? I'm not mad about it. You mad about it, Will?
No.
1 to 5 seconds, it probably would just promote your video anyways, and there's going to be attribution in there that'll probably send back. The expansion of Remix means billions of videos from across YouTube will now be available to Shorts creators, offering YouTube a potential competitive advantage. Ooh. Think about that for a second. YouTube video inventory is enormous.
Right.
Beyond enormous. And now, if you can harvest the content you're going to post about from the wider spectrum of YouTube uploads for the purpose of Shorts, TikTok don't have that. No. Not natively, not within one app. So you start cutting together what you're going to publish based on content that's already there.
Right. You have an inventory already.
You just got like a big...
Just format it differently, and now you have more of a product.
Big pool of content.
Yeah. Wow. Yeah, you're right.
Shout out Dennis.
Cool.
Yeah, YouTube's not sleeping. They're not sleeping. They're awake. So are we, barely.